I'm doing find first palindromic string in the array. Given an array of strings words, return the first palindromic string in the array. If there is no such string, return an empty string. A string is palindromic if it reads the same forward and backwards. So we're basically going through each element in the array, and the first element that is a palindrome, we're returning that element. Interesting. Okay, so what I'm thinking, a pretty straightforward solution is we simply go through each element one by one, and if the element is a palindrome, we then return that element. So we can go ahead and just do that, I think. So first let's set our 2 pointers, so int x, int y. Now for int I equals 0, I is smaller than words dot length plus plus. So for each element in our array I, x equals 0, y equals words at I dot length minus 1. And then while x smaller than y, if words at x does not equal words at y, break. Actually, we'll have a boolean is palindrome. So is palindrome equals true. And then if this is the case, is palindrome equals false. And then here, once we're out of the loop, if is palindrome, return words at I. So let me just walk through this code. Palindrome, so I'm iterating through each word in the array. For each word in the array, I am setting the left and right pointer to the start and the end of the word. And then I'm initializing is palindrome to true as the default. And then I am saying that while x is smaller than y, so until I reach the middle. If words at x does not equal words at y, then it's not a palindrome, so a palindrome is false. And then we can also break out of the loop if this is the case. But if we get to the end, and then I also have to x plus plus, y minus minus, and then if I get to the end of the loop and they are all equal every case of x and y, then I can return words if it is a palindrome. Otherwise, I restart with the next loop, with the next iteration, the next inline in the array. And then I think there's no such string, return an empty string. So to return, there we go. Let me give this a run. Words at I dot length minus 1. X plus plus, well, x is smaller than y. Smaller or equal to y. Words at I dot length minus 1. 2. I wonder why I'm getting this index out of bounds error. Indexed 6 out of bounds for length 5. Let me try removing this just to see if it's to do with the fact that I'm incorrectly breaking out of the loop. Okay, so it's not that. X equals 0. Y equals words at I dot length minus 1. Words at I dot length minus 1. X plus plus. Y minus minus. I'm not sure what the problem is here because words dot length for each word x equals 0, y equals words at I dot length minus 1. So why would there be a 6 here? 1, 2, 1, 2. There shouldn't be a length 5 in this array. I'm curious why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Index 6 out of bounds for length 5. But where is the length? Where is index 6 coming from and length 5 coming from as well? Interesting. Try running the test cases, these two test cases. Okay. Oh, okay. It's not words at x, it's words at I dot char at x, and then same with here, words at I dot char at y. There we go. Okay, there we are.